Do you want to disable Google Search Safe in Google Chrome on mobile? How to turn off Google Search Safe in Google Chrome on any Android phone. Safe Search is a feature in Google Search and Google Images that acts as an automated filter of pornography and potentially offensive and inappropriate content. So let's get started. How to disable Google Search Safe if you want. Open Google Chrome browser. Click on 3 vertical lines. Go to Settings. And then go to Privacy and Security. Click on Safe Browser. Here select No Protection. So this is the easy step to disable Google Safe Search, and you can easily disable Google Safe Search. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get my update video. Thank you for watching.